Is Web3 empowering us or quietly exploiting us? Everyone's heard the pitch blockchain will democratize everything and decentralization means power to the people. But let's have a real conversation about digital colonialism. Here's what's actually going on. Powerful groups are using blockchain to extract value from communities who are already vulnerable. They're tokenizing indigenous land, turning local culture into NFTs, harvesting community data and flipping it for profit. And the people with the land, the culture, the data, they often see almost nothing back. Let's break down a familiar pattern. A tech company shows up in a developing region. They promise economic opportunity through crypto. They build systems where locals have to buy tokens just to participate in their own economy. The company controls the smart contracts. They run the governance. They take the profits. Meanwhile, the local community takes all the risk. It's not really new, is it? This is the classic extraction model, just dressed up in blockchain buzzwords. Now, it comes disguised as empowerment, as innovation, as progress. But don't get us wrong, Web3 does have real potential to empower. There are actual examples. DAOs where locals genuinely vote, blockchain systems helping small farmers prove they own their land, projects that really do share value. But here's the issue. Without intentional design, Web3 just repeats the old power structures. Those with capital and tech skills still dominate. The rest, exploited, only with fancier tech. So how do we change this? First, governance. If a project claims it's decentralized, but only the wealthy have any real influence, that's not true decentralization. Second, value distribution. If your community provides the data, the land, the culture, they deserve a proper stake, not just rewards, but genuine ownership. Third, education and access. If you need expensive hardware or specialist know-how just to take part, you're just building another wall. Here's the truth. Technology alone doesn't create fairness. Blockchain doesn't guarantee justice. These are just tools, and they reflect the values of whoever builds them, so look for projects where the community truly owns and shapes the outcome. Question platforms that sell empowerment but hold all the control. Demand real transparency around where the value goes. Web3 can be different, but only if we design it deliberately with fairness at the core. If we can see that putting colonialism on a blockchain doesn't make it innovation. Decentralization should mean real fairness, or it's just colonialism written in code. Join us and reach your next crypto level.